Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken kebabs using an easy method. First, let's talk about the marinade. You'll want to cut your boneless, skinless chicken into 1-inch cubes. For the best flavor, marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes or even up to 4 hours. A simple yet effective marinade uses plain yogurt, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and a blend of your favorite spices like paprika and cumin. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful results. Now, let's prepare our skewers and vegetables. If you're using wooden skewers, remember to soak them in water for at least 30 minutes. This prevents them from burning on the grill. Next, cut your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, red onions, and zucchini, into 1-inch pieces, similar in size to your chicken. Then, simply alternate the marinated chicken cubes with these vibrant vegetables onto your soaked skewers. This creates a beautiful and balanced kebab. It's time to cook our kebabs. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the skewers directly on the hot grates. Cook them for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, turning them every 2 or 3 minutes to ensure even cooking on all sides. The chicken is perfectly cooked when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll see a lovely char, and the vegetables will be tender crisp. Once your chicken kebabs are beautifully cooked, it's important to let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the chicken moist and tender. You can then slide the chicken and vegetables off the skewers or serve them directly on the skewer. These delicious kebabs pair wonderfully with a side of fluffy rice, warm pita bread, or a crisp green salad. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a final squeeze of lemon juice adds a perfect finishing touch. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.